Welcome to day one, Drag Week 2023. We just got done with the drivers meeting. Brian is back there getting things ready. I'm getting ready to go film and walk around and go see how everybody is getting ready. And everybody has 30 minutes. So as of right now, we have 30 minutes to get all these trailers out of the way. So after that, there is no more touching the support vehicle. There is not to be any support vehicles by friends and family or work co-workers, things like that. So this is truly a driver, co-pilot, and those in the competition working together to try to make it to the end. So I'm gonna go see what's going on around the pits, watch the trucks move out, and get to racing. Let's do it. Mike with a 10.610 with 132. So Brian, what's going on with our car? What'd you think of that first pass? Your first testing tune?
That wasn't for us, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We lifted. I came off the spray probably about Dave, just to make sure it was all right.
Yeah.
I went from first to third because I thought it was going to go in the air and got a little anxious. So
yeah.
All right. We'll go faster.
Yeah. It definitely felt like it has some more to go.
Did it pick up at all?
No.
Good.
Not even. I don't even think it picked up an inch. I mean, it rose, but I don't think the wheels came off the ground.
No, it looks like you just kind of.
The problem with you with yours is you were just they had to shut down for a minute. There's so much water coming out everywhere.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that and clean up.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it wasn't water. It was fuel.
Oh.
It comes out of my vent, but that's why it wasn't water though.
Oh, okay.
It's been a long time since I did a real nasty burnout, or I did a burnout at a track
You
with
did a
slicks.
burnout.
Dude, I was just waiting for it to catch. Normally my radials would catch, and I was like, bah, 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 and I'm going. I'm like, all right, take half throttle, quarter throttle. I'm like, all right, fuck it. I just came off the gas.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, and then I'm way out here. I'm like, well, hopefully it runs good because I just put on a show for everybody.
All right, Brian's going up for his second pass. Mike's up there, getting ready to make his second pass. Mike has broken the solenoid for his shifter, so he will be shifting by hand. This man is in his we'll call it mid to late 70s, and out here absolutely ripping this thing. Let's go, Mike. Let's see what you got, brother. Let's see what you got. And the other member of our crew is over here welding on their strut tower, it looks like. There he is. Great run, 9.8. Well, damn, all right.
Look at all the loose gravel.
Oh.
So I believe that is just a fractional improvement for Tapscott. Robert Anderson and Mr. Beck.
That doesn't sound good. All right. Got an 11.354 and it was breaking up real bad on the top end. So I'm gonna rush down there and go see
Another
what's up.
coaster, 13.0.
But it just did, that did not look awesome. So we're gonna go back, figure it out. As of right now, we have a 9.0 or a 9 something pass, and now 11 pass. I don't know that that's what we were shooting for, but nonetheless, it's what we got. Let's see if we can go do anything about it. We have the directions to the next location. It's 175 miles, and we're off. Brian should have it all good to go by the time we get back there, but we still got to pack up. I guess we still got to pack up the trailer. But yeah, we're good to go. I'm pumped. It's about to be a long drive, and I do not care because it's race week. It's drag week, actually. It's the drag week. How crazy is that? 3 years, never been to a drag week. Never been to Midwest Drags, never been to Sick Week. Now I am riding co-pilot with the Chevette. So, as it says, Brian Anders on the back. You can't see it, but it says, "I'm with the Chevette," and that is a fact. Let's get to the road.
All right, day one, recap, real short recap before we hit the road. One of the last cars here. So first pass, wanted to make a nice, easy pass, and it sort of kind of felt funny at the 8th mile, so we lifted off the nitrous and just coasted across. I think it was 9:52. Wasn't so. I mean, lifted at the 8th, so it was what it was. Wanted to make the second pass, and as soon as I came off the line, as soon as it shifted to second, it kind of like laid over again, so I was trying to figure out what's going on, and I lifted and just went across the finish line and came back, and the Y line on the fogger was leaking, so it must have came loose, and that's probably what it did on the first pass. Plugs look good both passes, so they look like they're supposed to. So I'm sure that's what's going on. Mike made 2 passes. First pass, what was his deal?
He misshifted. He didn't hit that.
His electric shifter did not work because you got to turn it on, and he put a nice toggle switch for that. He did not turn that on. So I said that was a bad idea. Mike, it's a bad idea. So we took care of that, went back up, and then I don't think the nitrous ever came on the second pass. So we got some crappy passes on day one, but it's drag week, and we got no test and tune on either one of these. Mike did last weekend, but we're going to do better. John made 2 good hits. Well, 1 good hit. First hit, he broke the beams, red lighted, and it didn't take off. The clock didn't start because he sat there, and then he took off. Second pass, he went 10-13. So right where he needed to be. It's a stock LS with a turbo, so I think he's thrilled to death. But it's going to run in the 9s, he says. So we're going to keep going, keep powering through. 175 miles tonight, and we're starting late. So headlights are going to be in use pretty much all night. Other than that, thanks for watching.
Let's hit the road.
Yep.
We are south of the border. What's up, big dude?